So today I decided I wanted something sweet to eat, and I'm going to make some peanut butter cookies, and I'm going to show you how to make some peanut butter cookies. Real simple, real easy. You need 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Okay. You're going to need 1 cup of peanut butter. Let me show you the peanut butter that I'm using. I'm using some Skippy creamy peanut butter. Okay, 7 grams of protein. And I'm using 1 egg. It's that simple to make some delicious peanut butter cookies. Oh, and you're gonna need a bowl for mixing or something to mix it in, okay? So, let me mix these ingredients together. The first thing you do is you need to crack your egg. Put your egg in your bowl that you will be mixing your peanut butter cookie mix. You take your fork or beater and you beat the egg. After you beat your egg, go ahead and pour in your 1 cup of sugar. That's white granulated sugar. Mix your sugar and your egg together. Degrees. So here we go. Preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay. Now I'm gonna add in my peanut butter. The creamy peanut butter is easier to get out of this cup. This is 1 cup of the creamy peanut butter, y'all, that I'm using. Ooh, peanut butter is sticky, icky. Now I'm going to mix my peanut butter in with my egg and my sugar, y'all. My cookie sheet pan that I'm going to use. If you would like to use parchment paper, you can. I'm not going to use parchment paper. Okay, so I have a tablespoon measure because I figured this should be a good size. And that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to take my bowl. And I'm gonna put my balls onto my cookie sheet. Let me do one more for y'all. Okay, so and you want them to be like 1 inch apart. And you can take your hand and form it into a ball if you like. I'm gonna press these down with a fork, y'all know. And I'm gonna finish putting my dough on, and we'll move on to the next step. So now you get your fork, and you take your fork, and you press it down to get your lines. Now I put some flour on it so it don't stick on my peanut butter cookies. Y'all see that? This is why you use the flour. Y'all see how peanut butter was sticky. That was perfect. That design, but the cookie still would be good. Okay, everybody, so I am going to bake these in the oven at 350 degrees. I already have my oven preheated, okay, to the 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake these peanut butter cookies for 6 to 8 minutes. 6 to 8 minutes, and I'll be back once they are done. Okay, so now it's time for me to get my peanut butter cookies out of the oven, y'all. It's been 8 minutes. Y'all see, they gotta cool. So make sure my oven is out. And we are going to allow these cookies to cool. They're kind of soft. Alright, everybody, so my peanut butter cookies have cooled. They are delicious. If you like a sweeter taste, you can use a little bit more sugar than what I used. I would say probably 2 tablespoons more if you want them to be a little sweeter. But they're delicious. And let's go ahead and let's crack one open for y'all. Let me show you. This is the bottom of the cookie. So it's not too hard and it's not too soft. And the cookie is soft. Y'all see that? Soft and chewy. See the inside? So let me go ahead and taste test it for you. Okay, everybody. So I got my peanut butter cookie. Really soft. This is good. I really like these peanut butter cookies. I hope you guys try my recipe. Thanks. Y'all have a beautiful and blessed day.